Welcome back to dptutorials. In this video, let us learn what is recurring task and how to create in Microsoft Project. A recurring task is an activity that occurs on a frequent basis. You can create a recurring task by entering the basic information like the frequency. Let us try adding a recurring task above this Planning WBS line. Select the Planning WBS line. Go to Tasks tab in the menu. Click on the down arrow under Task to open the drop-down menu and choose Recurring Task. The Recurring Task Information dialog box pops up like this. Name the task, say Governance Meeting. As it is meeting, let us set the duration as 1 hour. In the recurrence pattern, you have to mention the frequency pattern like how often this meeting should occur. If you select weekly, you need to mention which days of the week the meeting should occur and how often it should occur. Say every 1 week, 2 weeks, like that. If you select monthly, in this case, you need to mention which day of the month the meeting should occur, or you can set like every first Wednesday of every month. If you want to set the quarterly meeting, you need to change this number to every 3 months. If you want to have this as monthly, simply enter 1. Next section is the range of occurrence. You can select the start date and end by you can mention the date between which you want to have this task, or else you can select the end by number of occurrences if you know how many meetings to happen. For this as well, you can select the desired calendar to exclude all holidays and non-working times. When you click OK, you can observe that some activities getting added here based on the frequency that we have set, along with a summary tab. In this info tab, you can see this one indicating that these are having start no earlier than constraints. And this icon at summary level means it is having recurring tasks. When you hover your cursor over this icon, it shows how many times it occurs and between what days. In the Gantt chart, you can see the tiny bars at regular intervals based on these recurring tasks. Only one thing that you have to remember is that these days would not be changing when you reschedule your schedule if there is a delay. So you have to add more recurring tasks in case your schedule is getting delayed. So friends, in this way you can create all the repeatable tasks in your project. So this is all about recurring tasks and how to create them in Microsoft Project. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please subscribe dptutorial.